moment about a point. This picture shows a two-dimensional body act on by a force in its plane. Two-dimensional body acted on by a force F. In its plane. The magnitude of the moment or tendency of the force to rotate the body about the axis OO, this axis, perpendicular to the plane of the body is proportional both to the magnitude of the force and the moment arm d, this distance. D is moment r. So M F and D, which is the perpendicular distance from the axis to the line of action of the force, perpendicular distance from the axis to the line of action of the force. D. Therefore, the magnitude of the moment is defined as M F D. The moment is a vector M perpendicular to the plane of the body vector perpendicular to the plane of the body The sense of n depends on the direction in which F tends to rotate the body. The right-hand side rule, as shown in this picture here, is used to identify this sense. We represent the moment of F about OO as a vector pointing in the direction of the thumb, with the finger curled in the direction of the rotational tendency as shown here. Perpendicular to the plane, the moment M, for example, shown as this picture. The moment M obeys all the rules vector combination and may be considered a sliding vector with a line of action coinciding with the moment axis. The basic unit of SI is Newton meters. and in US and US customary or British foot pound, 1 foot. When dealing with force which all act in a given plate, we customarily speak of the moment about a point. By this way, mean the moment with respect to an axis normal to the plane and passing through the point. Thus, the moment of force F about point F, for example in this picture, has the magnitude of md and is counterclockwise. On point A, it's obvious that we have if we tend to rotate this, we have counterclockwise rotation. Moment direction may be accounted for by using a stated sign convention such as a plus sign for counterclockwise, plus sign for and a minus sign for clockwise moment. Or vice versa. Sign consistency within a given problem is essential. For the sign convention in this picture, the moment of M about point A is positive. The curved arrow of the figure is a convenient way to represent moments in two-dimensional analysis, as shown here in this picture. The cross product is the next section.